Hello guys and welcome. So we ended the last video with a simple hello world program in C++. Alright, so the video was already getting too long, more than 5 minutes, and I didn't want, that's why I end. So in this program that we see on the board here, we have, first we start by including iOS stream, which are header files, right? So we're telling our program that we're going to be writing C++ programs now. And then the next thing that I do is I'm going to be using namespace. Now namespace also is a standard library that we are importing, such that without that it enables us to be able to use built-in functions, right? So it enables us to be using built-in functions like cout. So without including namespace, I needed to be doing things like this all the time, right? So I have to do this all the time. But so if I want to print each time that I'm using cout or cin, so I have to do that std behind it, so that is boring. All right, so I can also do this. Let me do end line to end that line. All right, so in this we're using cout to print to the screen. Then this angle two angle bracket, right, they are the intersection object, right, which this is used to send data to the screen. So whatever text that we have here is going to be displayed on the screen, and then since it's a string, so we put it in quote, and then end line also simply just add a new line at the end of the output. All right, so we're going to be modifying this program also, which means that if we're using cout, we can use cin to get user variable. So we're going to modify this hello world program to just print out somebody's name and age. So I'll be declaring string name and also int age, right? So in order for me to be able to use string, I have to come back here and include string, right? So it will give me the possibility to be able to use string to accept somebody's full name. So now I'm going to just do cout and ask you to enter your name, right? So semicolon cin. So I said we're going to use cin to get what input from user. So cout enter your age, and then I'm going to use cin to get the age, right? So now I can just use now cout again and do hello. Then now I put the person's name, name, you are, then I put the person's age, years old today, right? So I can do end line now. Yep. So this is my complete program. So let me just move the hello world there, and I have this. So if I need to build again and run, but so I can just come here. If I click here, it's going to build and run it automatically, right? So I can just click here. So it's building, and now it asks me what is your name. So I enter the name Constantine. It asks my age, 35, and it prints hello world, hello Constantine, you are 35 years old today. Okay, so if we look here, Constantine and you is joined. So we're going to fix that by just giving space here. So I encourage you to write the same program like I've written, right, and run it. If you have any compile error, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you.